This Pinisi boat has become a new tourist attraction to enjoy the beauty of Lake Toba. The Tourism and Creative Economy Ministry welcomed investors who are willing to build this sailing ship from Sulawesi to embellish Lake Toba. This 21-meter long and 5-meter wide ship with 4 rooms that can accommodate 11 passengers will take visitors to enjoy the sensation of sailing like at sea. Pinisi Toba is managed by 7 boat crew, including chefs, to serve the sailing tourists. Visitors who wish to sail on this Pinisi will have to spend from 20 to 30 million rupiahs for 11 people on a 2-day, 1-night cruise.
Ini wisatawan mancanegara justru suka karena mereka ingin sensasi yang berbeda. Jadi saya targetkan bahwa dengan adanya pinisi-pinisi yang dikelola secara profesional, maka kunjungan wisatawan mancanegara yang ditargetkan 8,5 juta kunjungan wisatawan mancanegara ini bisa juga mencapai ke Danau Toba.
During the event, Minister Uno also attended a workshop for micro, small and medium enterprises as well as a creative economy exhibition for the local community which featured ulas fabric, wood carvings, clothing and culinary specialties of Toba. He hoped that this new tourist attraction in Lake Toba could boost the local economy to develop further. See Today Contemporary reporting from Lake Toba, North Sumatra.